Hi everyone! So after the video I made with the step-by-step instructions on how to safely administer an enema at home, I got a lot of people asking me if I could now make a video on how to clean an enema kit or how I clean my enema kit. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I think this is a very important step because when it's done properly, you can help prevent the buildup of bacteria and mold in your enema parts, especially the long tube. And you can also help your enema parts to last a lot longer, which is going to save you money because you will not need to go and purchase more parts anytime soon. Also, if you use natural products versus toxic products to clean your kit, this will also ensure that your parts last even longer, and this is what I like to do. So this process is very quick and very easy. Let's get started. First, I'll add 2 cups of very hot, almost boiled water to the enema kit. And then I like to use 3% hydrogen peroxide, which is a natural but powerful disinfectant. And I'll use about 5 mils. And then I will let a little bit of the water out so that the solution runs through the entire tube. And I will let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it can disinfect. Once I've let that sit, I let the rest of the water out, and then I take a piece of paper towel and remove the nozzle, and then I will remove the tube and go and hang it somewhere outside, not in direct sunlight. This ensures that there's nice fresh air flowing through and helping with the drying process. Then I head back inside and dry the bucket off with another piece of paper towel. Now it's really important to clean the nozzle properly. That is the part of the kit that is in contact with your skin and it's up your bum. So this is a really important part. So I like to get a small bowl and pop it in there. Then I will cover it with the really hot, almost boiled water. Add a touch of the 3% hydrogen peroxide, and then I will also add a dash of Dr. Bronner's natural soap as well. But you could use any natural soap of your choice. I will leave the link to these products that I'm using in the description below if you're interested in trying them out too. And I will let that sit overnight, and then in the morning I will rinse and dry it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's quick video. I'd love to know in the comments below if you practice enemas and if you have a different cleaning process with cleaning yours. Leave me a comment. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much and I will see you next week. Bye!